I'm Chris Wise. I own a divorce and custody domestic violence law firm here in Kentucky. I've made these videos because the information I think we could all agree that's out on the internet right now is horrible. They don't give you all the correct information. You don't know how to fill it out. You're hoping that what you fill out is actually correct in the first place. Where do you go to file? What happens after you file? They never go into depth on what's required to take you from step 1 to step 10. So who's this right for? This is right for someone who is looking to get an uncontested divorce. So on uncontested divorces, we can agree. You and your spouse, you can agree on everything. You'll sign the documents and finalize this divorce without having to go in front of a judge and make arguments, whether it's legal or emotional or personal type arguments that you need to get guidance on. You have to be in Kentucky for these. These videos are specific to Kentucky. And so with that being said, the last thing that you just have to is the actual work. You have to be self-motivated in order to complete these documents. If you're not gonna do the work, then this video and these videos aren't right for you. This course is not right for you because no one's gonna do them but yourself. I'm excited to help you along your journey. Please sign up below and let's get started.